Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. As we try to look around our surroundings, or maybe with the many advancements of today, we might fall into the trap into listening or paying less attention to God. Dahil madalas nang nakatutok ang mata sa telepono, sa trabaho o saan man na ang pinagkakaabalahan, baka hindi na tayo nagiging sanay o hindi na tayo nakikinig sa Diyos. Today we were given the stories that had close encounters with the Lord. Something that we might need to remember and be assured about. How God spoke to Moses, to Aaron, and to Miriam, by reminding them of Himself and His mission for Moses. Kung atin pong babalikan lang ng kaunti, may onting tono ng galit, or shall we say, decisiveness. But nonetheless, God spoke to them, God was with them, and God reminded them and assured them of His promises. And during that experience of the apostles being tossed about by storms and winds, once more, Jesus appeared to them not only as a reassuring presence, but not only as a comforting presence, but a reassuring presence. Because when Jesus said, "It is I," such is reassuring and a gift of presence. May lakas man, pasigaw man niyang itong sinabi sa kanyang mga alagad, paalala man ito ni Jesus na huwag silang matakot dahil siya iyon at pampalakas din ito ng kanilang loob. Sabi nga po natin kanina, minsan po baka kinakailangan din na nating marinig ng malakas ang boses ng Diyos sa mga oras na ito. We might engrossed of too much that is tossing around us or filling inside us. And that is why we would need the Lord to tell us once more, "It is I am here, and do not be afraid." That while we encounter trials and difficulties, we gaze our attention not to the problem, but to the one who will set us out from the problem. Not to the one who will pin us down, but to the one who is faithful. As we celebrate the feast day of the dedication of the Basilica of St. Mary Major, we seek the prayers of the Blessed Mother, that we may have our ears once more totally attentive to Jesus, telling us every time, assuring us, and blessing us with such presence. "It is I, do not be afraid."